we're heading into Aquatica now. It's been about a year since we've been into this one. Our passes are about to expire, so we're excited to be here for at least an hour or two. Alright, so here is mask off. We're in a water park. Oh man, this is packed.
Remember to exit the pool quickly. If you lose an item, freeze it for one time, and they'll notify you of something that's all items that are failed.
Ready?
Let's go.
Kind of cold, huh? Whatever, it's that good cold. Whoa!
I'm like drowning in this thing.
What is going on, guys? So we are at Ford's Garage in Orlando, Florida. It's the very first time we come here. How are you feeling?
Hungry.
I am too. So they have these old school cars parked right outside, which I think is awesome. Right across the Premium Outlets Mall, which is over there. Got a torn up spare tire. I have like an old school air pump here. I actually like this a lot. I got this one right here. Look at this one. So yeah, really liking this place. I'm gonna check out the burgers in just a little bit.
Thank you. You're welcome.
So what did you order?
I ordered a patty melt, which is rye bread, Angus beef, cheese, and onions.
Ooh. I got the, what is it, the gentleman?
The Distinguished Gentleman.
The Distinguished Gentleman, which is Angus beef, but I replaced it for chicken, and then I took off the Swiss cheese because the cheese be messing me up. I was checking out their website, and it says that there's a little more than a handful of these Ford Garages, you know, burger joints across Florida, but they're all up north. And then there's one in Michigan and one of these in Indiana. So 2 out of Florida, and most of them are in Florida. So none in South Florida though, all up north. Oh my God! Look at this chicken sandwich and the baked beans. And this with meat. Ooh, look at that bite. Look at that face. I am enjoying this. Every time we go to the outlets, we do see the ad for Ford's Garage. Never had any interest in it, didn't know anything about it, but today we were hungry. We were looking for a different spot to do this video, and we found Ford's Garage to have some nice ratings, and it pushed us to go, and well worth it. Well worth it. I highly recommend it. My chicken sandwich was savory, very juicy and tender, great toppings, and the side of beans were so good. It was perfect to the T. If you guys know how that baked beans feel is supposed to be, then I'm telling you right now, it was outstanding. I promise you, you won't be disappointed. Now for my wife, her Angus burger, I did take a bite and it was delicious. It was everything you want out of a burger, but the rye bread, it gives you that, you know, that different vibe that is oh so necessary when you get tired of eating the same type of burger over and over and over. And the fries were crystal crispy, Oh, so delicious. Definitely highly recommend that if you are in the Orlando area or anywhere in Florida that has a Ford's Garage. The prices are right, the food is good, the services are just as good, and you get to see some old school cars while you're there with your family.
I don't have friends. I got family.
So I hope this review pushes you guys to visit Ford's Garage. I highly encourage it. We can't wait to go back and try something else out on the menu. And till then, I will see you guys very soon. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, like, and comment. If you guys have been to Ford's Garage, let me know what you've ordered and what you've enjoyed from this restaurant. I'll see y'all later. Peace out.